How to fix outgoing call failed problem. If you are facing this kind of problem on your device where it shows outgoing call failed, then here's how to fix it. Firstly, open settings on your device. In settings, you will see the airplane mode option. Try to turn on and off this option. This can also help to restore your network. At the top right corner in the notification, you will see the network icon. Make sure that you have network on your device. If the network icon is not properly filled, then try to change your physical location and see if the network restores. Roll down your notification bar from the top. Here you will see the focus option. Make sure that it's turned off. Again, go back to the settings. Go to General. Click on Software Update at the very top and check for any software updates that may be available. Go back to your previous page again. Select the option About. Now scroll down and here you will see the carrier option. In the carrier option, if there are any updates available, then update it. Finally, go back and scroll down and select the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, then reset all of your settings. Now give your device a quick restart and your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.